Hello, sir. Your order's on its way.
You're funny.
I'll be there in 30 minutes, sir.
You're joking, right?
No, sir. Is there a problem?
Yes, there is. I'm in an international space station. I took the order as a joke.
No worries, sir. I'm coming.
There's no way. Stop playing. I'm 1.3 million feet above Earth's surface. There is no oxygen in space, and the sun will melt your skin before you know it.
No problem, sir. I have fire protection 4 and 3 stacks of fireworks.
I see you're really funny. Let me know when you cancel.
I'm not going to cancel. I'm 15 minutes away, sir.
Riz app told me to respond with, if you actually manage to make it here, I'll fall in love with you. If you actually manage to make it here, I'll fall in love with you.
Thank you, sir. That's really sweet. Anything to satisfy our customers.
You're unreal.
Thank you, sir. The weather is really beautiful up here. Oh, I see some asteroids coming my way. Let's hope they won't crush me.
Oh my god, just go home. It's way too dangerous.
All good, sir. One of the asteroids hit me, but I'm okay.
No way.
Oh no, I see some aliens.
What?
They kidnapped me, sir.
Huh?
Never mind, they let me go, but I did have to give them a slice of pizza. Sorry, sir.
Where are you?
Don't be mad. I'm very, very close. 5 minutes away.
I'm not mad, I'm just shocked.
Is this you, sir?
Yes, that's me.
There you go. Thank you for ordering. Would you like to leave a tip?
No, thank you.